Lovelies, did you know that Facebook has over 2.9 billion active users every month? We are talking about billions, not millions. That's almost half the world's population with such a massive audience. It's not a surprise that people are using Facebook to earn thousands of dollars every month. In fact, it's not even a surprise that most people prefer to be on Facebook than any other platform. In fact, many creators, entrepreneurs, and freelancers are turning Facebook into their primary source of income because of different reasons that we're going to be looking at. In this video is inspired by the high volume of people that are turning to be on Facebook and the opportunities that it has created to make them earn high earnings every month. Whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced user of Facebook, I'll show you actionable strategies to monetize Facebook and make it a consistent income stream. You guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. This is Christine. At least my voice is now clear. I really thank you for being on Immaculate Show. And as we know that now people have turned Facebook like to be their gold mine, and it is one of our objectives as Immaculate Show to show you a way on how to earn at least 100 daily or 1,000 per month. We're talking about dollars, not dirham, not your shillings. Why do you think Facebook is a gold mine for earning? But for me, when we sat down from experience that I've been on Facebook for 2 years, and from the people I'm seeing there on Facebook, a lot of social media entrepreneurs, one, it has a massive audience with billions of users, as we've had 2.9 billion. Facebook offers an endless audience for your content, products, or even services. Then it has diverse monetization options. Whether you're into content creation or e-commerce and even freelancing, Facebook has tools to help you earn. Then also, it has a low startup capital. When we talk about low startup capital or costs, I mean, for you to begin, you just need a little investment on to leverage in some few features like in groups and pages, and then the ads. You don't need a lot of money. I'm going to be presenting for you 3 ways how you can earn highly with Facebook. We are looking at earning $1,000, talk less of earning even $100 per day. And in this, we encourage everybody to be attentive. Let's dive in and see how we can make Facebook a passive income gold mine. If you are creating content, we think you have to monetize your Facebook pages and videos. If you really love creating content, consider launching a Facebook page and uploading engaging videos every day to be consistent. And in this, Facebook will allow creators to earn high on their videos. How will they earn high? They will have like 3 ways of earning high on their videos. Like you can use in-stream ads. This is where Facebook adds to your videos and gets paid based on what? On your views. Then there is also fan subscription. It is really open, like the way you can see on the screen. It offers exclusive content to your loyal followers for a monthly fee. So like it is up to you to make sure that you set up your fan subscription, and there is a way you will earn and also Facebook will earn. Then it also gives you brand collaboration. Partners with brands, they earn for promoting their products. So you can also promote people's products and start. For example, if you have a page about fitness tips, you can attract followers and add revenue and sponsorship deals from fitness, the audience or the people who are buying and selling these fitness things. The second method of you to make sure that you can leverage and earn high on Facebook is to leverage Facebook groups for business. You know, we have groups, we have pages. The first one we are talking about pages, now we are talking about groups. Facebook groups are excellent for building a community and selling products or services. I've seen most people, they use Facebook groups. They create a group, they put a niche and start making money. So how do you do it? One, you have to create group around your niche. And when we talk about your niche, most people are always asking what is a niche. A niche is that specific thing that you want to do, that you are passionate about. You can think about travel, you think about travel, parenting, tech gadgets and other things. The second thing, you can offer value by sharing tips, tutorials or exclusive content. Then you sell digital products like ebooks or courses directly to your group members. This is the second way. What I would advise you to do on this is to use Facebook Marketplace to sell physical goods or promote local services. I know most of you know Facebook Marketplace, like the way you can see the picture on our video app. The third one is use Facebook for affiliate marketing. Most of you are now familiar with Facebook, to affiliate marketing, because we use it more on YouTube, but it can also be used on Facebook. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn on Facebook. And this is how you can do it. You find products or services that align with your audience's interest. Then you share affiliate links in post, stories or comments. You earn a commission every time someone purchases through your link. Someone will ask, how do I get this affiliate marketing? You can go start with Amazon, it's there, then you'll be doing it well. If I give you an example, you share links to popular products on Amazon or services like on Canva and watch your commission grow. If you didn't know that you can share Canva services, you end up also earning commission. Please go and try it. Then what we need to know about all these three ways of earning on Facebook, we need to know something. There's something that is very important and most people don't always miss it. So as you can see, we have given you the three ways for you to get to utilize Facebook and earn enough amount of money. But there are some things that you need to use. There are some tips that I'm going to give you here that you need to really tie yourself on for you to realize the $1,000 or $100 per day. Because most people will say, but I've been doing it, but I don't get this amount of money. Yes, majority of the people don't get amount of money that the other few ones get because they just don't do these things that I'm going to tell you. The four things that I'm going to give a hint is these ones. You need to boost your earnings on Facebook. And how can you boost them? For you to boost them, you have to be consistent. I always tell you on YouTube, consistency is the key in whatever you do. So if you really feel like I can go and make you Facebook my monthly paycheck platform, you have to be consistent. Post regularly and keep your audience engaged with fresh and valuable content. When we talk about regular and consistency, most people will think of, consistency. The word consistency in English, it means that if you say that tomorrow, if I say tomorrow, today I will be posting, and indeed I'll be posting on every Friday, that is consistency. But the consistency on social media here, what I mean is you come at least every day, if not one post, if not two posts, put one at least every day. It's when you'll be anticipating, get money out of it. The second reason or tip I would give you is to leverage on Facebook ads. Invest in targeted ads to grow your audience and reach potential customer faster. The third one, it is analyze and optimize your content. Use Facebook Insights to track performance and focus on what works best. Don't just post and be there and say, you need to go back and analyze your content, you analyze your analytics, you see how your audience, how people came up, what did they do exactly, then you'll understand. And then you engage with your audience. Please respond to comments. If you know you've taken Facebook to be part of you and you swear you're going to earn money from, you have to make sure that you respond to comments. You have to make sure that you be in touch with your audience. You reply to messages. You even build trust. Because the moment you don't reply, you don't even take heed to know what they're talking about, you will leave trust and the loyalty will not be there. So it is very true that Facebook isn't just a platform for socializing. It's a powerful tool for earning highly every month. If you didn't know about this, please know it from today. By leveraging on Facebook pages, groups, and affiliate marketing, you can turn your time on the platform into a significant source of income. I know you've seen people always on Facebook and you wonder, yeah, these people on Facebook, but they earn a lot of money from there. If you've been wondering how to make money online now, this is your time. Use the Facebook to its full potential. Don't forget, you guys, to like this Facebook Facebook video, please, because your likes, your engagement makes a lot for me. I love it so much. Subscribe for more tips if you want. If you don't want, you can share it to your friends, because we have more tips on making money online. And share also to your favorite Facebook monetization strategies in the comment section. I know you might be on Facebook and there's something that you've done that we didn't know. Please share it to us such that we can also learn from you. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.